how to receive airdrops using your public wallet address on a MacBook. Okay, so what you need to do is, the first thing you'll see, if you're using Safari, it'll say Safari is not supported. Please download a browser that supports MetaMask. So you cannot use Safari at all for MetaMask. So you have to download either Chrome or Firefox. So let's open up Chrome. All right, and so Chrome is open. I'll click on my MetaMask extension, and under the account name, if you hover over here, you'll see something that says copy to clipboard. This address inside of here is your public wallet address. That's all you would need to give someone that wants to send you a NFT or crypto. Okay, so if you click on it, it's copied. And now if you go to paste it somewhere, this is what you'll see. And this is okay. This is your public wallet address. And by the way, no matter what network you're on, okay, if you were on a different network, your public wallet address does not change. Lastly, I have to say it again, never give them your private seed phrase, passwords, anything. Okay, so they don't need your private seed phrase in order to send you anything. They only need your public wallet address, and that is it. All right, so this is how you give someone your public wallet address using a MacBook in order to receive like an NFT or airdrops.